Hey guys, Maggie Clyne here from Clyne Design. Just doing a tutorial today on the Align feature in Illustrator. And this is also in InDesign for anyone interested, but I'll be using Illustrator today. So the Align feature can be found under Window, and we click Align, and it's just here. Now another feature we need to have up is the Align To, which is under here, Show Options, and it says Align To. And this is things like align to selection, key object, and artboard. So at the moment, say we want to align this, this big brown square to the center of the artboard, the very middle of the artboard. The way we can do that is just select it and then say align to artboard, make sure that's ticked. And we're going to need to center it. So we can go horizontal align center, which means it'll move it across, and then vertical align center will move it down. And there we go. Now we can be 100% sure that that is in the center of our artboard. So that works with anything. So say we wanted to do something a bit different, and we wanted to align all of these objects to the left-hand side up so that they sit upon this bar here. So what we can do is we can select all the objects, and then this is where we change this to make sure it says align to selection, because we don't want to align them to the artboard. Once that's ticked, then we can go to the horizontal align left and click on that, and they'll all move down to that line. We can also change our mind and say, no, maybe we want it on the right hand side, and they'll just shift over there. The other thing you can do is align to a key object. So what that means is you can select maybe just a couple of shapes, however many you like, and then you need to create this key object that's not going to move. So to do that, you just need to click once. So without holding shift or anything, just click, left hand click, and you'll see it'll make a thicker box around the key object. You'll see this is changed to key object because it knows it's got a key object there. And what that means is this object isn't going to move when we do our aligning. It's going to be this one, this other one that's selected. So if I wanted that to be directly on top, I can go horizontal align center and then vertical align center, and that'll bring it down. So you can do that with all of these objects. Make this a key object, do the same thing, and now it looks like a pyramid. Looks great. So I hope that's helped, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching.